What if I told you that you could start earning an extra $97 to $497 every single month from just one client by offering services to their business? Most businesses are losing clients and leads every single day because they don't have simple automations in place. And they will happily pay someone like you to fix that problem for them. Because the thing is, they don't have the time and they are just not techy enough to set it up themselves. And this is where you come in. Even with the rise of AI, people still need humans to go and set these automations for them. And don't sleep on this, because adding services are the fastest way to grow your cash flow and add recurring income to your business. And that's exactly why I'm creating this mini series sharing with you the 5 beginner-friendly services that you can offer to other businesses. These are services that you can charge from $97 to $497 every single month. These are systems that I've set up on my own business and also helped other businesses to set up as well. So I can show you the easiest ones to sell, the complexity, how much should you charge, how to get your first clients, and how to deliver this service even if you are a beginner. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now I want you to quickly imagine a plumber. He is in someone's house fixing the pipes, doing his job, and someone calls them to book a service, but they are too busy, they can't pick up the phone, and that's it. That plumber just lost £300 for that service that they couldn't book that client in. And this happens every single day with local businesses. But thanks to systems and automations, there is a solution for that, and it's called missed call text back. Basically, the moment the call goes unanswered, the caller gets a text back saying, "Sorry, we missed you. We are on a job right now, but can we book you in on our next slot?" And just by having this automation in place, they can save at least one service, one client per week. And who needs this service? You can think about any local businesses that runs on phone calls. So you can think about plumbers, electricians, hair salons, barbers, clinics, dental offices. Most businesses, they don't have the time or someone to be on 24/7 to get those calls. And this is where this automation comes in. So why that works? The data speaks to itself. So it tells that businesses that respond within 5 minutes are 21 times more likely to qualify as a lead. If you can save at least one client, one service for that business a week, let's say that plumber, for example, that service is around £300. If you can save £300 a week for that business, that easily covers your $97 a month fee. And how does this automation actually works? I'm going to show you a quick demo inside GoHighLevel. And you're gonna go, if you do have a GoHighLevel account, you're gonna go into phone system, and here you're gonna go into voice. Right now you have different options that you can set up. You can click on voicemail and missed call text back. You can create a voice AI agent that can actually call your client and book them in and put them in the calendar and book them on the next slot. Or you can set up the missed call text back. This is very simple because you can literally just customize what is the message that you want them to receive, and that's exactly what they are gonna get once they call and no one picks up. So you can also set up WhatsApp. It's a really simple automation, but you can make sure this is very customized to that business that you are serving. And how much should you charge for this kind of service? I would recommend anything from $47 a month to $97 a month, because this is a very simple automation that doesn't really need you to be on all the time. You only need to set this once and make sure you run smoothly. That's it. And this is absolutely low effort on your side once you have this all set up, and really high value to your client. If you're ready to get your first client this week, I do have a mini challenge for you. You're gonna go into Google and you're gonna find free businesses that you can pitch this service. If you wanna help, let's say, a wellness clinic or a dentist or a salon, you're gonna put hair salons near me. You're gonna find a free salons, you're gonna call them out of hours, or just like see if they have this automation in place, if they are gonna call you back. If they don't call you back, that's your pitch. Like, you can offer this service for them, and that's it. You're gonna close your first client. And don't forget to send me an email. I would love to celebrate with you. But remember, this is just one service that you can offer, and this is just the beginning of adding those layers of recurring revenue. So if you want to know more ideas and more beginner-friendly services that you can offer to your local businesses to create some more cash flow, don't forget to subscribe and watch my next video. I'll see you there. Bye!